Hello, low brass and percussion players. Welcome back. I hope you all had a great spring break. I'm looking forward to working with you this week and starting off today with a little bit of a warm-up. We are going to do number 40 in your Sound Innovations book. This is the technique builder. We have all played this many times before. We're going to play it 2 times, first at the slow tempo, and then the second time at a little bit of a quicker tempo. Here is the technique builder. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we're going to speed it up and play a little faster. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, so you can play back that recording and play it on your own if you like, rewind, do whatever you need to, and play along with that if you'd like one more time. Now we're going to do a new warm-up. This is number 188 in your Sound Innovations book, and this is called the B-flat major scale. Now, this is a new one. We've never played this before, so I don't expect it to be perfect, but I do want you to be aware of this one because it's one of the most important songs you're going to learn how to play in your musical careers. So flip to number 188. It's called the B-flat scale and arpeggio. We will not be doing the arpeggio part. We're only going to be doing the first half of the song. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at the fact that there are a couple new notes. Trombone, baritone, tuba players, you're going to see 2 higher pitches, high A and high B flat, which are the same positions and valves as the lower A and low B flat that we've already learned. Baritones, A is middle finger, B flat, obviously no fingers. Trombone players, A is in second position, and then B flat in first position. This is the same for the low and the high pitch. Percussionists, you guys will be playing all of the notes from low B flat to high B flat in order. All right, so we will not be using A flat. You'll only be using B flat and E flat. So I'm going to play it once so you can hear how it sounds. Two, ready, go. Now you'll notice I stopped in the middle of the song. That's because I only played the scale, not the arpeggio, which we are not going to do right now. So trombone players, those high notes, fast air, firm lips, quick buzz to make sure those notes come out. Percussionists, make sure you are alternating right, left, as you go up the scale. So we're going to do this one 2 times, first at the slow tempo, and then once at the quick tempo. Here's number 88, the concert B flat major scale, only the scale, not the arpeggio. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, now we're going to speed it up a little bit. 1, 2, ready, go. I do not expect that to be perfect, like I said, but I want you to be aware of that one because we will be doing it a lot once we get back to school. And you'll do it in 6th, 7th, 8th grade into high school as well. So it's a very important scale. but I want to make sure you were at least aware of it so you have a little bit of an idea of what it sounds like. So practice through number 40 and 188 as a warm-up, and then make sure you complete the other video as well that I pass out for this week, which you'll see. Thank you. Have a great day.